Hey everybody, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Today I'm working on my make journals collage challenge, and I'm feeling overwhelmed already with this, and but I want to try to keep doing it. So I thought I would go with first layer today, and I've got all these scraps and all these pages, and I think I'm just going to start by putting one scrap of paper on each page, and that's what I think I'm going to do. I've got some of this, so I'm just going to kind of rip some of these up, and I've got some parchment paper, which is almost the same color as the envelopes themselves. I've got music papers, and I've got some of this. This is pretty neutral. I might do something with this. So yeah, I'm just getting some scraps ready. Oh, look at that. That would be nice too. I've got some ledger paper. And this looks interesting. I've got some dotted polka dot coffee dyed paper. This is an old ancestor's house plan. Maybe I'll put some of that down. This is not the original, don't worry. Okay, I've got some of this old kind of music paper. And then this one I thought might be interesting. We've got some pictures on here. Oops, I cut his head off. That's not good. Oh well. Let's do it anyway. Got some plants, some little pottery here. I got some Van Gogh wrapping paper. Who knows? I got more of this too. So I've got lots of this. Okay, let's get started with that. I'm just going to glue. I'm totally out of my comfort zone with this kind of vintagey-ish collage type thing, so I'm just going to get started and start gluing stuff down. I'm not sure I want the Van Gogh now because I like this and it's kind of clashing. I think we're going to keep that out. Alright, let's go. I'm going to go ahead and take one of these and just start gluing one thing on each page. Tell me how you would attack this kind of journaling, collaging, and that kind of thing. I think I'm not going to worry too much about saving every pocket, because Meg kind of does that in some of hers, and I want to try doing that too, but I'm going to do it with this. I'm trying to copy her style, and I will warn you that anytime I try to copy anybody's else's style, it doesn't look that great, but I'm trying. I really want to try to be more, copy her style more. And also Amity Bloom's style too is another one. Oh, there's some words, so let's put words on there. Alright, I'm going to put this here. One thing though about words is that I can't put words upside down. That I just can't do it. I think it looks great when Meg or other people do it, but I just can't do it. I can't bring myself to do it. Alright, so this is my first layer of stuff. Let's put another one of these down. And so I think you can see what I'm doing here. And I'm going to just go ahead and do all the rest off camera. And I dropped my glue. And then I'll show you kind of what I've come up with. Alright, so here is what I have come up with. Oh, I think that one got stuck in there by accident. I am glad I did it because I feel like at least now I have a start. And I did put the Van Gogh on the other side of the book. And I feel like I actually want to maybe put another layer of, oh, that's the last page. I think I might want to go ahead and put another layer on, and then I will also come back and show you. All right, so here we go. I've got 2 layers. Well, not actually layers, but some of them are layered, but there's 2 elements on each page now. And I'm feeling much better about my situation. So my advice is to just get started, even if you don't necessarily think it's going to be looking that great. So, yeah, so let's turn this over. You can see this side. And so that's my layers. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So I need to cross off layer, first layer. And then I can add other things to it. And also I noticed we've got torn edges, so I can cross off torn edges because I tore a lot of paper for this one. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any suggestions on how I can proceed. If you have any comments, put them down below. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.